Upgrading your Nvidia graphics card drivers can give your gameplay a buttery smooth boost, and today, we'll show you how to do it right within the Nvidia family. First, find the Nvidia icon in your system tray, usually in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where Nvidia is most easily accessed, but we will look at the main options too. If you're not seeing it, you can look in the hidden icons. Step 2. Open the Nvidia GeForce Experience software. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Nvidia website. Select the Drivers tab, which is usually prominently displayed across the interface. This is where all driver-related options will be. Look at the driver options and select the most recent driver available. It is always best to have the latest drivers before installing. Select the Clean Installation option. This is critical for a clean upgrade. This removes old files, which provides a fresh start, reducing the chances of future issues. Click Download to get the latest driver. The software will now download the driver. This takes a few moments, so take a quick break or prepare a nice beverage. Once the download is complete, the installation process will begin. Keep in mind that your screen may flicker or go blank several times during this process. As the drivers are installed, do not panic. When installation is finished, you will be prompted to restart your computer. Make sure all your important work is saved. A restart is essential to fully implement the new drivers. Click Restart now. And that's it. Upon restarting, your new Nvidia drivers will be installed, and you can now enjoy optimized performance. Always check the Nvidia website for the very latest drivers. Have fun gaming.